This is CES 2025, everybody, and I'm gonna tell you, robots are everywhere in the smart home section. There are robots that can vacuum and mop your floor. We've seen those. They've made advancements there. There are robots that will clean your pool to make it nice and shiny, and then robots that will even mow your lawn. Look, robots, they're doing everything for us, right? We even have robots that could act as a companion for your pet, maybe a friend to your kids, and really your best friend for your cat. So me, Brian, I'm gonna find all these robots right now. This is the Rolla Mini companion robot from Enabot. This is a cute little guy that can move around your house. Now it's linked to a phone app, but what it can use is your 2K ultra clear camera from this bot and see your entire household. It can interact with your pets. You can even have this fun cat attachment to keep them occupied. Ultimately, this is a companion for your pets and something that can roll around, be your friend. You can call from it. It can detect motion. If you're wondering how long the battery lasts, up to 25 days. So yes, it's cute. It's a little cuddly. Yeah, it's plastic, but this could really be a security robot and a companion for your home and your pets. Hey, Brian. What's up, Brian? Well, what if your pet wants to go out and play? Well, that's what Pawport is for, right? Yeah. Uh-oh, CES may have gone to the dogs. This is the Pawport, the most possum pet door ever. Yes, it's a pet door, but what's cool, right out of the gates, there's a frame that allows you to slide this over your existing pet doors. That makes it easy to adapt. Then you have this ability to talk to a pet smart tag that goes around the collar of your favorite pet. They walk up to it, it detects them, the door's open, and they can pass through. Now, in case they get stuck, it won't close on them. It can detect that as well. But what you can do is really control this with your phone, set different timers, change the lighting to some coloring and cool personalization, but see and really know that your pet is gonna be safe and other animals around your area won't get through. So the Pawport, doggone it, I love this thing. Hey, now that I have a dog that can go in and out of my home, I need a robot to clean my floors. Oh, Brian. We're always trying to make life easier, and I've talked about it a lot. I feature them on my videos. Narwal makes your life easier, and this is their flagship robot vacuum, the Narwal Flow. Now we see the design, right? The self-contained system, the nice metal accents. We go here, this is a smaller version that allows you to plug it in and connect it directly to your water pipeline. We also get a look underneath here with their new cleaning mopping brush system, and then here's a closer look at their dynamic side brush. What you have here is you can imagine this covering all the corners, right? But then it rotates in and then meets their floating brush that sucks in the hairs, eradicating them, and then continues to go back out, do the same thing, and rinse and repeat, sucks all the hairs out, and then goes back out. All right, so let's check out their Flow Wash mopping system. We know that Narwal has had some of the best mopping on any robot vacuum. Now, it's a new system, right? We have the mop, it has its own clean water tank and its own dirty water tank that does all the cleaning while it's mopping at the same time. And it has a mop extension where this mop slides out to get even more edges. Another new feature is their Twin AI Dodge technology. This is able to scan and recognize over 200 different objects. Yeah, we got a little cute kitty here, headphones, pet food. It has 2 HD RGB cameras that can identify and avoid these items in your home. It also has carpet boost cleaning. Now, what is this? Well, it has its own flexible brush cover that actually, as it goes over carpet, it drops down, gets closer to the ground, creates more friction and more suction. Then the pattern it makes, you've seen it typically go back and forth. It reverses to then get kind of going that opposite direction to pull up some of those things that are typically hidden underneath. So really interesting stuff here with their carpet boost cleaning. We showed you this a little bit earlier, but this is their auto refill and drain system. Connect this to your water pipe system. What do I love about this? It makes the Narwal Flow a lot more compact, a lot sleeker, and you can start customizing maybe an area in your home to connect this to really have a sleek design that matches the design of this. So there you go, the Narwal Flow, their flagship robot vacuum, coming sometime in June. But wait, there's more. I told you, hey, come here now. Narwal offers other premium solutions. This here is the Narwal Z10. What is different about it, right? No camera system, okay? Secondly, we have their triangular mop pads. What is one of those can extend out and cover those edges. Plus, this is a 0 tangle-free solution. You have their tangle-free floating brush on the bottom. That is signature. And then up in the corner, a dynamic side brush that eradicates hair tangles. You don't want none of that. But this is some of the great stuff and innovations here at Narwal's booth. Hey, let's go see more robots. So Brian, now that you've cleaned your house all nice and tidy, is there a robot that could mow your lawn? The answer is yes. And looky what we got here, the Mammotion Luba Mini all-wheel drive. Yes, this is a robot lawnmower, and quite honestly, the most powerful all-wheel drive for an 80% slope. If you want to look at the angle that is 38 degrees. That is a high angle to get this lawnmower up. Now it cuts adjustable heights from 2.2 inches to 4 inches. That gives you healthier lawns that you can pretty much customize with cool patterns, really tailor them to your needs. You can have some fun with this lawnmower. There's auto mapping with its UltraSense AI vision to really see the entire lawn and understand its boundaries and where to go. You have enhanced object recognition and safety powered by an AI algorithm that aids in that. This is a tech-controlled robot, so yes, it has app control that efficiently manages multi-zones, 15 in total, so 15 different areas, plus 3D lawn printing. I kind of hinted at this, but let's just say it gives your lawn its own tattoo. Just don't put it on the lower back. But Brian, I need a robot that could clean my pool. All right, I want to dream big. I want a pool, and if I had a pool, I'd be getting the Scuba X1 Pro Max that was just announced here for CES 2025. It's really a one device cleans all areas for your pool. You got water surface cleaning, so any leaves or things that are floating on the top. What about those leaves that go to the bottom? Yeah, floor cleaning. So you got that debris there. It's gonna clean that up. Wall cleaning, you got algae on the side. It's gonna crawl up those walls. And then water clean, that's that stain that you get on there. It's gonna really scrub and buff that out up to 5 centimeters above the water line. I told you it's the best of the best. It has industry-leading suction power with 9 motors that pretty much can pick up everything that you can throw at it. How about a little example? Number of leaves picked up per hour. The Scuba X1 Pro Max that I'm talking about, 146 leaves. Some of that other competition, roughly 80 leaves. Its OmniSense 2.0 ultrasonic sensor provides this ability to comprehensively map the entire pool and every nook and cranny, so you don't have to do that for yourself. And yes, because this is a smart robot pool cleaner, it automatically detects an adaptive path planning that knows where to go, maybe where it needs to change and move on the fly to ensure that you really get truly complete coverage of your pool in any scenario. How long does this last? Extended battery life for all-day cleaning, 10 hours on the surface only, or 5 hours when it's on the floor. But this is just so impressive. Ooh, it makes me almost want to get a pool for this thing, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. Hey, good job, Brian. Thanks, Brian. Look, we covered the floor to give you a lot of insight, just to feel a flavor of all the things happening in the smart home. And I just really think that this space is alive and well, and there's innovation at all different levels happening. I know you saw that too, so get ready because this is still CES 2025. We have so much more coming. Trust me, we got a lot coming for you. A lot. So look at all this amazing stuff here at CES. It's like, oh, whoa, I'm sorry.
Whoa.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
CES.